Hello friends, my name is Narmati. In this video, let us discuss about 5G wireless technology. The content is Introduction to 5G, Evaluation from 1G to 5G, Key Concept, Architecture, Hardware and Software of 5G, Features, Advantages, Application of 5G and Conclusion. First, we discuss what is 5G. 5G is nothing but fifth generation wireless technology, complete wireless communication with almost no limitation. It can be called a real wireless world. It has an incredible transmission speed. And what does it offer? Worldwide cellular phones, extraordinary data capabilities, high connectivity, it is more power and features in handheld phones. It has a large phone memory, more dialing speed, more clarity in audio and video. And evaluation from 1G to 5G. First, we discuss what is first generation. It is developed in 1980s and completed in early 1990s. It is based on analog system. First generation speed up to 2.4 kilobit per second. AMPS is nothing but advanced mobile phone system. It was launched by the US and it was the first generation mobile system. It allows user to make voice calls in one country. And second generation, it is developed in late 1980s and completed in late 1990s. It is based on digital system. The second generation speed up to 64 kilobit per second. Its services such as digital voice and SMS with more clarity. The semi-global facility 2G are the handset we are using today, with 2.5G having the more capabilities. And third generation, it is developed between late 1990s and early 2000s until present day. Transmission speed from 125 kilobit per second to 2 megabit per second. It's a superior voice quality. It has a good clarity in video conference. It has a email, PDA, information surfing, online shopping, banking, games and etc. It also have global roaming. And fourth generation, it was developed in 2010. It was faster and more reliable. 4G speed up to 100 megabit per second. It has a high performance, easy to roaming, low cost. And last, fifth generation, next major phase of mobile telecommunication and wireless system. It has 10 times more capacity than others. Expected speed up to 1 gigabit per second. It is a more faster and reliable than 4G network. It is a lower cost than previous generations. And key concept of fifth generation, it is a real wireless world with no more limitation with access and zone issues. Wearable devices, IPv6 were visiting care of mobile IP address. It is assigned according to a location and connected network. One unfit global standard. Smart radio, the users can simultaneously be connected with several wireless access technology. And this is the architecture of fifth generation. And we discuss what is open wireless architecture. OSI layer and OSI layer 2, it is a define the wireless technology. For these two layers, the fifth generation mobile network is likely to be based on open wireless architecture. And physical layer and data link layer belongs to give open wireless architecture, that is nothing but OWA. And network layer, all mobile network will use mobile IP. Each mobile terminal will be FR, that is nothing but foreign agent. A mobile can be attached to several mobiles or wireless networks at the same time. The fixed IPv6 will be implemented in the mobile phones. The separation of network layer in the two sublayers, that is lower network layer, this is for each interface, and second one upper network layer, it's for a mobile terminal. And we discuss open transport protocol. Wireless network differs from wired network regarding the transport layer. In all TCP version, the assumption is that a lost segment are due to network congestion. In wireless, the loss is due to higher bit error ratio in the radio interference. 5G mobile terminals have transport layer that is possible to be downloaded and installed open transport protocol, that is OTP. Transport layer and session layer are belongs to give OTP, that is nothing but open transport protocol. And application layer, it provides the intelligence QoS, quality of service management over variety of network. It provides possibility for service quality testing and storage of measurement information in information database in the mobile terminal. Select the best wireless connection for given services. QoS parameters such as delay, losses, BW, that is bandwidth, reliability, will be stored in database of 5G mobile. Presentation layer plus application layer, that gives the application. And we discuss what is the hardware and software of 5G network. First, hardware of 5G, it uses UWB, ultra wideband networks with a higher BW, bandwidth at lower energy level. Bandwidth is 4000 technologies, LAN, WAN and MPBS, that is nothing but a megabit per second, which is 400 times faster than today's wireless technologies. It uses smart antenna and uses CDMA, that is a code division multiple access. And the software of 5G is 5G will be single unified standard of different wireless network including LAN and WAN technology and worldwide wireless web. It's a unified IP and a seamless combination of broadband, software defined radio, encryption, flexibility and antivirus. And the features of 5G is it's high resolution for crazy cell phones users. It is more attractive and effective. It has the 25 megabit per second connectivity speed, uploading and downloading speed of 5G touching the peak up to 1 gigabit per second. It's a better and fast solution. And the application of 5G, it's a wearable devices with artificial intelligence capabilities, media independent handover, radio resource management with sixth sense technology. And conclusion, 3G operator centric, 4G service centric, various 5G user centric. We have a proposed 5G wireless concept designed as an open platform on different layers. The new coming fifth generation technology will be available in the market at affordable rates. Thank you.